Hi, let's today focus on Palo Alto physical appliance which Palo Alto recently launched, PA400. In the PA400 series, we have a 6 model. Number 1, PA410, then PA415, PA440, PA445, PA450 and PA460. Let's focus on PA400. PA400 has LED, right? During the troubleshooting, you can refer the LED and its color and you can troubleshoot the issue. Power, stats and alarm. We will discuss about the LED and indication in my next series. We have this PA400 has one console port. To configure the firewall first time, console port. This series has this model has a 2 USB port so that you can enable the bootstrap. If you have a PAN-OS, you can copy into the USB port, right, and connect it to the firewall and upgrade your PAN-OS. Now this series has a total 8 port. How many ports we have total? 8 port. 8. Out of this 8 port, if you look at the first port is your management port, right? So you can connect your management network, or I can say you can connect this interface to your management VLAN and assign the management IP address on this interface. Once you have the management IP, then you can configure the box. Now, other than this management port, remaining 7 port, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 ports are my data port, 1 Gbps. So the capacity, right, of this PA410 interface is 1 Gbps. Okay. In this series or in this model, we don't have the dedicated HA port. We don't have any fiber or QSFP or SFP interface. You cannot provision or you cannot connect your switch or router to this firewall having the fiber port. Perfect. Let's move on to the next series, next model. So next model is PA415 and PA445. Compared to 410, this box is having the more interfaces and have the fiber ports or fiber interfaces. Now the first is your USB, again 2 USB. The second is my console port, but here we have 2 console port. One is mini USB and one is a traditional console port. The next port is your, in this series, in this model, you can see the 2 fiber interface. Okay, SFP. You can connect fiber SFP and connect your fiber supported devices, or you can use these 2 interface as a RJ45, but there you would require the RJ45 SFP. Okay. Next is the next is management port. This port is your management port. Okay. Now the next port is starting from port number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the port. These are electrical port support 1 Gbps. The beauty of this firewall 415 and 445, starting from, right, port number 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the PoE ports or PoE interface, power over Ethernet. If you have the access point or if you have any device required a power supply, right, you can use this port number 6, 5, 6, 7. Pause. Okay. Now, other than this PoE port, all other port only support speed up to the 1 Gbps. Clear? Next. Power supply, 2 power supply, redundant power supply, right? You will get the 2 adapter, power supply adapter, right? Then LED indication you have. Now, the next series is, right, your PA440 and PA450. Now, in order to run this specific model, you would require the minimum PAN OS 10.1.0. This device or this model has only 8 electrical port. Okay, speed 1 Gbps. The speed, maximum speed is 1 Gbps. Okay, so any model in a PA400 series, you will not find a interface more than 1 Gbps speed. This device is for only small setup, I can say, or branch. Now, again we have one management, we have one console, right? Here we don't have the dedicated HA port. Again, 2 console, one is a C type and another is a console port, and we have a 2 USB port. Clear? Okay. LED indication, we'll see later, not now. Yes, this is the key. Now compare, if you would like to compare all your boxes, right? So the throughput is a different. Every firewall offering the different throughput. 410, right, having the throughput, firewall throughput is 1.59 Gbps, but if you look at the 415, it's little bit high. 440, 445, 440 or 460, throughput is a 5.1 Gbps. It's a firewall throughput. There are several throughput I have mentioned, I have mentioned it over here. Threat prevention, IPsec throughput, and maximum session. If you look at the 410 and 415, the maximum session capacity is the same, 64,000. Even though throughput is also same for IPsec and for the threat prevention. The little bit different is only firewall throughput. Rest of the thing same. New session per second 12,000. Here also we have the 12,000. Now again, this is the most important feature. I really like it in this series. Starting from 445, this firewall support virtual system. So base virtual system is 1 and maximum it support 2. 445. 450 base 1 and maximum it support up to the 5. Wow, small appliance, but you can virtualize it. Virtual system is nothing but in Cisco context, FortiGate VDOM, you can say. Okay. And the same thing is for the 460 device. The minimum base is 1 and maximum is 5. Perfect, guys. So this is all about the PA400 series. So make sure, guys, depending on your model, right, you have to think about the PAN OS, right? Think about the PAN OS. Look at over here, right? So this which one? 440, 450 and 460 required a PAN OS 10.1.0, and if you go back, yes, 415 and 445, right? First supported PAN OS version is a 11.0. If you have the 415 boxes, right, 415 and 445, definitely it will come up with the 11.0 PAN OS. You cannot degrade to the 10, right? Because it's a first supported PAN OS version. Okay, the same thing, for the first model, where it is, sorry, PA400 means 410. The first supported PAN OS version for this 410 is 10.1.2. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.